for coloring, I'm going to pick here the eyedropper here to check the color of the fox. Just hold, long hold, and this circle will move the color. If you move and still holding, it will change the color. Okay, I'm going to choose the orange one and back to my brush, change it to, in coloring, I'm using the flat here, the flat tip pen soft. Okay, and start to color. Oh, see, if you're not going to write, you are not in a right folder layer, it will alert you. For coloring, I prefer the focus fade, it's closed. It looks like that. Be careful when you're going to color. For here, I'm gonna color all the fox, not all of it actually. I have to be careful when you're going to color the face. I have to color the first part up alone, the ears alone, the body alone, the tail alone too. Okay, everyone should be separated in a separated layer. So first I'm going to color the head. Okay, make it smaller as much as you can. Make one line when you're going to color. Okay, it looks like that. And bring, it looks like that. Okay. Okay, it looks like that, and fill it with a pocket like that. Sometimes it's not perfect, so I'm gonna back to my brush and fill the rest of parts to close it well. Okay. It looks like that. This is the head in a separated layer. I'm gonna create a new layer. I'm going to draw the ears. The ears is already behind the head, so I need it behind the head. So that's mean it's the layer of the ears, it have to be down. And we have to be not confused. We can rename the layer, this one. We're going to rename it with ears name, and it's done. Okay, we can rename this too with head. Okay, I'm gonna back to ears. When you're going to color here, it's not obvious for you, are you coloring right or no? So I need to back to the head layer, make the opacity a little bit around 50, and back to the ears layer and start to color to be obvious for you while coloring. Okay. Okay. Oh, I don't need that. Okay, fill it with the pocket. Okay, and then back to my brush. Maybe it looks like that. And this is the first ear. We're going to move to that next one. Ew, it's too big. So I'm going to fill it with the bucket. Back to the brush to fix that one. Now the two ears, it's done. Back to the head layer and back to the opacity 100. It's perfect. Now I'm going to color the front part of his body. It's a new layer, so I'm going to, it not have to be here, it's down, and rename it with body. Okay, it's over here, and we're going to color it like that. I'm going to color one line as much as you can. Don't do this. It looks like a scribble actually. Just one line. It comes by practice actually, so don't worry. Like that. And fill it with a bucket. Bucket, bucket, bucket. Okay. Like that. And our front part, it's done. And we're going to color the tail. It's a new layer. Drag it down and rename it with, try much as you can to be organized. So we're going to write tail. So we're going to color the tail too. Okay. It looks like that. Okay. Rotate it. And fill it with the pocket like that. Bring the brush to fix the wrist forward like that, to be sure every part's of the tail it's covered. Okay, this is how it looks like. Okay, back the head